Morning students, today we are going to discuss exact differential equations. What is meant by exact differential equation? Let us discuss. So first the given equation should be in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. This is always a first order first degree differential equations what we are discussing now. So the given equation should be m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Next what we have to do is the dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x you have to find out. If those two are equal, then we can say that the given equation is exact differential equation. So you will be very confused in sometimes. So if it is m, so you by hearted that one dou m by dou y dou n by dou x. If something else he has given, let us consider. So r theta like that he has given. How to do remember that one? So how what we have to do is m dx. So m beside that one it is dx is there. That's why m you have to differentiate with y, n you have to differentiate with x. That model you remember. M you have to differentiate with dy, n you have to differentiate with the other one dx. So that you remember, that is very easy concept. Okay. When you can say that it is non-exact, if dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x, then you can say that it is a non-exact differential equation. So what is the general solution is integral of m dx, treating y as constant, integral of what you have to write it here is the terms independent of x in n. Terms independent of x in n you have to write it is equal to c you have to write it. Here also you will be slightly confused. Integral m, what we have to write? What we have to write means m dx is there now, therefore integral of m dx, integral of n dy. So just you have to apply the integration only. So that is the model. But what you hear terms independent of x in n we have to write. Next we will consider one problem. 2x minus y plus 1 into dx plus 2y minus x minus 1 into dy is equal to 0 he has given. So clearly what is m? So this is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. M is equal to how much? 2x minus y plus 1. N is 2y minus x minus 1. So now with respect to y, so with respect to y, if you do that one, what happens? So with respect to, so m, this is m. So with respect to what you have to do y, with respect to y means x is a constant. So this will be 0. One constant differentiation is 0, therefore minus 1 here you will get. Let us consider here. Here dou n by dou x, with respect to x means y is a constant, therefore this will be 0. Constant differentiation will be 0 minus 1. So dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x means it is an exact differential equation. What is the general solution? Integral of m dx, integral of m dx plus integral of n dy. But here you have to write the terms only independent of x in n. So what are the terms you are going to get? So x the terms which do not contain x, therefore what are the terms? 2y minus 1. So integration, so x integration is x square by 2, therefore you will get x square. So y integration with respect to x means y treating as constant means y integral 1 x. So integral of 1 is x. Similarly 2 into y square by 2 means y square minus y is equal to c. This is the way to find out the solution for the exact differential equation. Next we will go for the one more model. One more problem. 1 plus e power xy into dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy is equal to 0. So clearly m is this much, n is this much. So m with which you have to differentiate, this is m, dx coefficient is m, that with which you have to multiply differentiate dy. This is n with which you have to differentiate with respect to x. So dou m by dou y with respect to y means what is a constant? X is a constant. So constant differentiation 0. So e power xy differentiation is e power xy. Again x by y differentiation you have to do. X by y differentiation how will you do? With respect to y means x is a constant, therefore x write it as usual. 1 by y differentiation is minus 1 by y square. Next you come across with n, dou n by dou x. So dou n by dou x is this one, e power x by y minus so and so. E power x by y with respect to x, So e power x by y differentiation, e power x by y. Next x by y differentiation you have to do. X by y with respect to x means y is a constant, therefore 1 by y. X differentiation 1 minus, if you come across this one, this is x by y into e power x by y, that is nothing but u into v model. So first you write x by y, next e power x by y differentiation is this much. Okay, next plus e power x by y, you write it as usual. Next x by y differentiation, x by y differentiation is how much? 1 by y. X by y differentiation is 1 by y, because with respect to x you are doing, with respect to x means x with respect to x you are doing, that means constant is 1 by y, x differentiation 1. So if you simplify, you are going to get like this. So if you look at these two are equal, therefore dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. The given differential equation is exact. Next what you have to do, general solution. General solution is nothing but just you have to apply the integration to the given one. So but here in n, what you have to write, the terms independent of x, the terms in each term you should not contain the x. So first term contains x, second term also contains x, therefore what you are going to get is, so you are getting 0 dy. Therefore again integration of 1 is treating y constant, that always you have to remember. Integration of 1 dx is x. So e power x by y differentiation, so e power x by y, again x by y differentiation, y constant means 1 by y, x differentiation 1. So this is the model. Next we come across another model. So r plus sin theta minus cos theta into dr plus r into sin theta plus cos theta into d theta is equal to 0. So if you look at this problem, here dr coefficient is there, here d theta coefficient is there. So let us consider m dr plus n d theta. So what we have to find out means, m you have to differentiate with theta, n you have to differentiate with dr. So as previously I have discussed how you have to remember means, so this is the way. Therefore dou m by dou theta you have to find out. So m n dou m by dou theta we have to find out. So if you do that one, dou m by dou theta with respect to theta means r is a constant differentiation 0. Sin theta sin theta, so with respect to theta, sin theta will become cos theta, and cos theta will become minus sin theta means plus sin theta. Similarly dou n by, with respect to r you have to do, with respect to r we have to do. So r differentiation is 1, sin theta plus cos theta is constant. So if you look at these two are equal, therefore dou m by dou theta is equal to dou n by dou r. Given equation is exact. Then what the general solution is, simply you have to add the integration to these two, add the integration for these two. By applying the integration for the second one, what you have to remember is, you have to remember the terms. So let us consider integral m dr. So just I will check it one more time here. So if it is m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, what you are saying, integral of, okay, sorry, here it is by wrongly I have written tx. Okay, suppose here it is integral of m dr, m dx, let us consider integral of m dx, let us consider this one. So if it is m dx, so then what you are saying, treating y as constant. Here it is r is there, therefore treating theta as constant. For the next one, integral of n d theta. So r plus sin theta minus cos theta. Next one is integral of 0 d theta is equal to c you come across with. So if you do the integration, what you are going to get, let us consider. So treating theta as a constant, so constant differentiation, what will happen, 0. So that I am not, so sin theta minus cos theta, okay, so sorry, sin theta minus cos theta is a constant, therefore sin theta minus cos theta into dr. Therefore what happens, constant sin theta minus cos theta into r you will get, integral of r is r square by 2 you will get. Okay, this is next, solve cos x tan y plus cos x plus y into dx plus so on. Therefore m is what? This is m, this is n. Okay, m n. Okay, completed. Next, dou m by dou y. M you have to differentiate with y, n you have to differentiate with x. So you are going to get like this. So similarly n also you are going to get like this. So dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. So integration of m dx treating y constant. So integral of n dy terms independent of x in n. So now you will finally remember how we have to remember this general solution formula. Same for the first term, integral of m dx only. For the second term you apply the integration. What here dy is there na? Dy is there. Therefore if it is dy is there, terms independent of x you have to write. Terms independent of x you have to write. Okay. So here terms independent of x in n, there are nothing is there. Therefore integral of 0 dy. So here you have to do tan y with respect to y, treating y constant. Therefore tan y into integral of cos, it is sin. So next one వచ్చేటికి integral of cos x plus y. Integral of cos means sin x plus y. So again x plus y differentiation. X plus y differentiation treating y as a constant means y differentiation 0, x differentiation 1. Therefore you will get like this. Okay, this is about the exact differential equations. Okay, thank you all.